Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rishabh and today I'm presenting an advanced level final year project called AI powered resume screening systems with a job match profiles. So before starting this video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to our channel because I have uploaded lots of projects in different programming languages. You can take a look on these videos and also you can check from the profile from the playlist and the complete detail of this project, like what the things that we have used and why do we use in these projects. So you can check from our website. You need to go updater.com, and after that you need to search AI, and after that just AI and resume. It will automatically show you the first profile, like AI resume builder. Okay, I think it's not a project, that one. Yeah, AI power resume. You can search this keywords from here, and it will show you the entire project details. Come to the demonstrations of this project. Just start this project. It will navigate to this page. Now just one thing, who can use this project? If you're a last year students, and if you are in a MCA, BCA or btech, AI and ML students, so you can check this project. And this is an industry level project, not in just college project or just not a card project that we already did last year. To login, I just log in with this credential that are already uh, created, or you can create a new one also. If you are, if you want to create a new, so you can create a new also, but I'm just login with the existing credentials. Okay, now I have login as a admin. You can say admin, but it's not an admin, because these are for the admin HRs. So HRs can log in directly, or admin. Like if I'm uploading the job profile, so it will be shown to me, not the other profiles also. No, not the other profile. Like if I'm login with the admin user, so it will show me the profile, like how much I have uploaded the jobs. I have uploaded two jobs, and it will show the recent job uploaded by me. Or you can see that if I just create a new job, so I can create a new job from here. Now the main part of this project is scanning. So this is in profile, like this in job profile, and currently no candidate has checked for this profile. Like I didn't check any resume for this profile, so I just select open. Now you can see that zero candidate, average match, shortlisted and rejected are zero. So I need to upload a resume from I need to upload a resume to this section. Like I have already created an sample resume, so I just upload that resume to here. Okay, now I just uploaded in PDF Sarma resume. So resume, I just select scanning, so it will show the candidate one. Average match is 58.5%, shortlisted and rejected. It will display when I selected shortlisted or rejected. Now if I just scroll the page, it will show the candidate match score is 58%. Short score distribution are medium, high and low. So it's in medium level. You can see that the top skill gaps, you can see from here that the top skill gap is skill candidate most often the often lack of AWS, Docker, Fast API and skill. These are the gaps of this profile. Now if you see the candidate rank, currently it's one because we haven't uploaded any other resume, so it's in the first. And you can see that the Priya profile is here, and matching and pending shortlist or reject, we can select from here if I want to shortlist or reject or just remain at pendings. You can see the details. If I select the details, it will show me the entire profile of that candidate with the name, numbers, usernames, masters, like how much, how many degrees he she has done. So you can see the entire profile of her, and the scoreboards are here, and skill match. You can see that the skill match is here. Skill gaps, and you can see that the skill gaps that are the main part that this profile is in medium, and all the detected skills. These are the skills that are detected. Okay, now you can extract the text of resume. You can see that this is the resume of that candidate, and also you can download the resume from here if you want to download. So you can just download that resume also, but I don't want to download it. Now I'm going to upload another resume to check the profile of that candidate. Just open this job profile and upload another resume. I'm just going to upload another resume. Just drag and drop and this is an Aman resume. Select scanning. You can see that the candidate number is 2. It automatically increased, and the average match is 76%. Shortlisted and rejected are still 0 because we didn't select any number till now. You can see that now the comparison between Priya and Priya Sharma. Okay, candidate match score. Okay, the machine learning and these are the previous one. So these are the new, like these are the resume for machine learning. So yeah, I have changed the name. I just forgot to update the name. So the candidate name is machine learning. I just forgot to rename it. This is a sample resume. So you can see that now the ranking is 1. It automatically rank 1. Before that the PA is rank 1. Now the rank number 1 is machine learning candidate. If you see the score is 90%, we can select the shortlisted, and we can select this shortlisted. And if you see the profile of that candidate, it will show the all the top skill gaps, but it is still have the high scores and medium, so it have the high score distributions. And you can see that if I just select the profile of that candidate, you can see that all the things are 100% covered. 90% are score, and you can download and shortlist as we did before it. The skill gap is 0 this time. The skill gap is 0, and you can select the shortlisted. Now you can see that the shortlisted are automatically selected. If you go to the back, and you can see that the shortlisted is 1. Now I'm going to upload one another resume, and this is the snare resume, and select the snare resume. You can see now this time Priya has the 50%, snare has the 78%, but still machine learning candidate have the 90%. This is the best part of this project, that the it will show all the candidate in a comparison way, that you can see all the candidate who are going to select or who are going to reject. Now this is the medium and this is the high. It will show the all score, like we have the 3 candidate, and it will show the all candidate score. We have only the one high and medium is 2, like these are the medium ones. And the top skill gaps, it will now it will showing the all candidate. Now it will show the all candidate scores. Now is that you can see that now ranking is changed. Now Priya has rank number 3 and Sneha has rank number 2. You can select the reject for this candidate. Now you can see the reject is 1, shortlisted is 1, and still average is 73.3. If we select any resume that have the score of 90%, then it will show just before the machine learning candidate. And now that time the rank will be 1 for that candidate who have the score more than 90%. So if I select the one another resume, I have one another sample resume, that are the weak resume. Okay, now I'm just uploading that resume. Okay, now you can see that we have an weak resume, that is Rahul Mehta, and the percentage is less than 50%. And still we have the machine learning candidate that are in top, and you can reject that also. So I'm just rejecting that candidate also. You can see that list, and now you can sort list by all the candidate that are shortlisted in a CSV file, and it will show you the list of all the shortlisted candidate in a proper way, so that you can showcase that to anyone. Now you can see, now this is the best part of this project, and that all these rejected candidate and all the selected candidate that you can see in a one CSV file. So this is the best project for your last year students, and also if you are in looking for the job interviews, then you can showcase this project. So thank you for watching this video. If you are a last year students, BCA, MC, or any IT field, so you can definitely check this project and share with anyone who is looking for the project.